My name's Lance and I'm from Carlsbad. I found out about Dr. Motwani from a close friend of mine, Tom, and he recommended me coming down here and having my eyes seen about. I was using glasses. As a C5 quadriplegic, I have zero hand dexterity and fine motor movement, and you need that to put glasses on and off, so I could never keep my glasses clean. I dropped them, so this has been such a blessing to have this done. It's changed my life, simplified it, and made it a lot better. I was a little apprehensive about having surgery on my eyes. Didn't know how long the healing process would be or what it was going to entail, but was pleasantly surprised at how quick I was back to doing the things I was before without glasses. I just want to thank the office and everybody here for how well they treated me through this process, and I recommend it.